My dear student, today I want to discuss about some more facts about the importance of the area related to circle of a plane figure. Perimeter of a circle. What is perimeter of circle? You know, you are familiar with this formula. Circumference is the perimeter of the circle and it will be 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle is, try to understand, this is pi r and it is bounded by this diameter. So, pi r plus 2r. Perimeter of quadrant of a circle, try to understand. This OB is radius, this O is radius and this is arc length. This arc length is pi r by 2. Pi r by 2. Arc length of semicircle is pi r plus, here perimeter is, you add 2r, but arc length is pi r. Here arc length of the quadrant is pi r by 2 plus r plus r. It can be written as pi by 2 plus 2 within the bracket into r. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of quadrant of circle is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Area of semicircle, you know, it is half pi r square. Area of an arc of a sector of a circle with radius r and angle theta is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Now, this is the arc length. Perimeter of this sector is equal to 2r. This is 2r, r plus r. And this is arc length. So, arc length is theta by 360 degree plus 2 pi r. So, this is very, very important for the purpose of multiple type of question. So, now my dear student, area of this sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Area of segment of a circle is equal to area of corresponding sector minus area of the corresponding triangle. This is the area of segment of a circle. Now, my dear students, now keeping all these points in mind, now I will solve the problem of exercise 12.1. In my opinion, it is my opinion that this exercise is very, very important for the purpose of multiple type of questions. So, my dear student, the wheel of a circle are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per second? Since speed of a car is 66 km per hour. So, distance covered in 10 minutes is equal to 66 by 60 into 1000 into 10, that is 11,000 meter. Distance covered in 1 revolution is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 40, that is 176 by 70 meter. Number of revolution is equal to 11,000 divided by distance travelled in 1 revolution, that is 176 by 70. Now, if you divide 11,000 by 176 by 70, it will be 11,000 into 70 by 176, and it will be 125 into 35. It will be 4,375. So, thus number of revolutions is equal to 4,375. Now, my dear student, I want to solve a multiple type of questions. Here number 2 is a multiple type of question. Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle. There are 5 options. As I told you earlier that this chapter is very, very important for the purpose of multiple type of question. Now, these days, it is very important to know the concept by which you can solve the multiple type of questions. So, my dear student, now since perimeter of circle is equal to area of circle, this is given. The perimeter is 2 pi r and area is pi r squares. Of course, radius is 2. So A is correct option. So my dear student, now I want to solve problem number 3. Adjoining figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of 5 scoring regions. My dear student, it is a long problem. So, I solved some parts of this problem and I hope you will solve it at your home. Area representing gold. This is gold. So, area representing gold is equal to pi r square. R is 21 by 2. Area of region representing red. This red is a ring. So you add in the radius of this gold by the width is 10.5. So it will be pi r2 square minus r1 square. That is pi 21 square minus 10.5 square centimeter. For region representing blue, it will be pi r3 square minus r2 square and we add 10.5 in 21, so it will be 31.5 square minus 21 square. In this way, you also find the area of black, white and adding you get the answer. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये अब आपको होमवर्क के लिए दिए, क्योंकि मेंसुरेशन में कुछ सवाल बहुत लंबा लंबा आता है और उसी तरह हम लोग सिमिलरली उसी तरह निकालेंगे उस बैंड का एरिया और फाइनली जोड़ करके आर्करी का एरिया हम लोग निकालेंगे. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब हम दूसरे सवाल की ओर जाना चाहते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 12.2. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्किल with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. We know the area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. That is 60 by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 6 square. That is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 36. That is 132 by 7 centimeter square. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose radius is 22 centimeter. Which circumradius is 22 centimeter. My dear student, whose circumference is, not circumradius, sorry, circumference is 22 centimeter. Area of quadrant is equal to 90 degree by 360 degree into pi r square. That is 1 by 4 into pi r square. So now it is given 2 pi r is equal to 22. R is equal to 22 by 2 pi. So r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4, 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square, that is 77 by 8 centimeter square. My dear student, in this way you can solve problem number 2. Now we want to solve problem number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. This problem is also very, very important. It is very conceptual problem. You know that in 60 minutes, a minute hand completes one revolution. Complete one revolution of a circle. Now, in 60 minutes, it makes angle of 360 degree. So, in 1 minute, it will be 360 by 60. So, in 5 minutes, the angle subtended by the minute hand on the center is 360 by 60 into 5, that is 30 degree. Area covered is equal to 30 by 360 degree into pi into r square. So 1 by 12, 22 into 2 into 14. So my dear student, now it will be 154 by 3 centimeter square after solving. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. And consider pi is equal to 3.14. So my dear student, this problem is very, very important. It was asked in the examination, CBSE examination. So you must go through this chapter. And as I have observed that in some book, this problem is solved by very long method. So I here introduce short method by applying which you can solve the problem in a short span of time. So my dear student, a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So my dear student, first you find the area of the minor segment. How will you get the area of minor segment? Here you find the area of the sector OACB and then area of the triangle, and subtracting it we get the area of the minor segment ACBA. Let A be the chord of the circle subtending angle 90 degree at center O of the circle. Area of major sector OADB is equal to, this angle is 270 degree. So 270 by 360 degree into pi r square. By putting the value of r, we have 235.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस तरह आप देख रहे हैं प्रत्येक सवाल में हम जो अभी पढ़ाई किए, आर्क लेंथ, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, इसी सब चीज़ों का हम एप्लीकेशन कर रहे हैं. आप ध्यान से समझिए, ये सारा सवाल एनसीईआरटी का है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सवाल भी हम आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे बाद में. इन ए सर्किल ऑफ रेडियस 21 सेंटीमीटर, एन आर्क subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So my dear student, we know that L by 2 pi r is equal to theta by 360 degree, where L is arc length, 2 pi r is the circumference, and theta is the angle made by the arc length at center, and 2 pi r, that is circumference, makes an angle of 360 degree at the center. So L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. This is a very, very important problem. This is very, very important formula. So L is equal to 360 degree by 360 degree. 2 into 27 into 21. And it will be 1 by 6 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. So my dear student, after solving we get L is equal to 22 centimeter. So area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So in this way, we can find area of sector is equal to 1 by 6, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. And after simplifying, we get area of sector is equal to how much? 231 centimeter square. So we can, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यदि आप फार्मूला भूल जाओ तो कैसे फार्मूला निकालोगे? We know that सेक्टर के द्वारा, आर्क के द्वारा सेंटर पर बनाया गया एंगल, पूरे सर्किल के द्वारा सेंटर पर बनाए गए एंगल का रेशियो, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर थीटा इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एंड 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्किल. एंड बाय सॉल्विंग इट वी गेट एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू थीटा बाय 360 डिग्री इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ I want to solve this problem. Area of segment formed is equal to area of sector minus half, 21 into 21 into sine 60 degree. And it will be 231 minus 441 into root 3 by 4 centimeters square. So now, my dear student, I want to solve some important problem. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73 centimeter. It is a sector OAB and it makes an angle 60 degree. So what do you observe? Angle OAB is equal to angle OBBA is equal to 60 degrees. So OAB is an equilateral triangle because OAB is isosceles triangle and this angle is vertical angle is 60 degree. Therefore it is equilateral triangle. So area of minor segment is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. That is 60 by 360 degree into 3.14 into 15 square minus 1 by 2 15 square into sine 60 degree, and it will be 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 225 minus 1 by 2 225 root 3 by 2 within the bracket centimeter square, and after solving it we get 20.4375 centimeter square. So area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment, and it will be 686.0625 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यह सवाल बहुत बार ही पूछा गया है, इसलिए आप इसको बार बार बनाइएगा। मेंसुरेशन में दो बातें, एक तो फार्मूला की जानकारी रखना, दूसरा कैलकुलेशन आपका ठीक नहीं रहेगा, आपका सिंप्लीफिकेशन पार्ट कमज़ोर रहेगा तो मेंसुरेशन में आप अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं ला सकते। इसलिए प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप धीरे धीरे बनाइए मेंसुरेशन के सवाल को, और सामने में गुना भाग कीजिए, रफ कॉर्नर में पेपर का मार्जिन में, और सवाल का आंसर लिखिए। यही तरीका है आगे बढ़ने का, इससे आप अच्छा नंबर प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, अच्छा स्कोर प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। अब मैं आपको 2 वीडियो भेज चुका हूं एरिया रिलेटेड टू प्लेन फिगर पर। आशा है दोनों वीडियो को देखने के बाद हम नेक्स्ट डे और दूसरे तरह का सवाल और इस तरह के कंसेप्ट में जो सवाल छूटा है उसको समाहित करूंगा, उसको भेजूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।